Hello, I'm Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. You may recall I bought this Ford Mondeo Estate for £450. It came with no MOT, we put it through an MOT and all it failed for was a copper washer on the injector. That was all sorted, we took it back to the MOT centre and it passed. And since then I've done several hundred miles in the car. It's been a great workhorse. It's also took us on holiday in our new caravan. And yeah, it's been fantastic. It's not missed a beat. So now I know the car's reliable, I thought I would buy some new things to make it a little bit smarter and safer. So the first thing I bought was brand new floor mats. Black to go with the car. The floor mats that are already in the car actually offer Vauxhall insignia. So no good, but they've been alright for now. So we got new floor mats. This lovely steering lock that I'm going to type out by Tev Lafitte, and I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm very sorry if I got that wrong, but I'm going to try this one out. And I also got a brand new repeater for this side because it's held on with duct tape. Before I get going with all these new parts, thank you, 1,000 subscribers. I bought this car, the video done really well, and it got me 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. Now let's jump in and get some of these parts in the car. Okay, so as I said, these are from a Vauxhall insignia. They've been good, they're rubber, they're really good for like cleaning, very easy to clean. But yeah, I'm gonna put my new floor mats in anyway. So let's get that one out. And ideally, the car needs a good hoover out, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to pull them in for now. But there you go, already looks a lot better. Now let's go and do the driver's side. Right, let's get this one out. There we go, and let's find the driver's one. The driver's side, there we go, perfect. So there we go, floor mats can actually really change the look of your interior in your car, and these are fantastic. Off eBay, nothing too special. I'll put a link in the description to the ones I bought for this car. But now we got to get on to the side repeater, and this is the new one. Even though it's a second-hand part and it was taken off a Mark IV Mondeo Coupe, it's very good condition. It's a lot better than what we already have on now, so let's go and get that one sorted now. So here it is. It doesn't look very good, does it? It's the only thing on the car really that this needs doing, like exterior wise. There's nothing else I can see, so let's just rip it off. It doesn't matter now because we got the new one, the new part to replace. Good tape. Oh, there we go. I'm also filming this on a typical British day where it's raining, then it's not raining, then it's raining, then it's not raining. Well, it's definitely not going to fall off anytime soon. Right, so I got the repeater out, and you just got to turn this. I can't remember which way to go. There we go. And put the new one on. However, because of all this tape that was holding this one on, it needs cleaning off. So I'm gonna go and get some petrol, wipe this down, and it should all come off. Right, we've got a bit of petrol on the rag. Let's try it out. I did try removing as much as I could by hand before we try the petrol, but this has worked in the past, and hopefully the tape's not done too much damage to the bodywork. I've also got T-cut on hand as well, just to go over afterwards. Yeah, it's definitely getting rid of it. you go. Top line's gone now, look nearly. I'm not too worried about this stuff because this comes off really easy. I think they used just normal masking tape originally to hold it on before they went to the stronger tape. Now you may have noticed when I was cleaning this up that the little side repeater light had gone back down in the sill. So I got this handy little tool here that I bought from Proper Job, and see, you push that on the top. When you push that in, the little claws come out. So just gotta, I can see the wire. There we go. And I just got to try and get the bulb out now. There we go. We got it back. So let's put the new repeater on. There we go. And that's it. So you slot the front in first. And make sure you get that right or you'll break it. And then voila, sorted. And it's working. Right, I got something else here that I bought for the Ford. This. So it's basically a sticker that goes over the Ford badge, but it's black and yellow. So instead of having a silver writing, we got the yellow writing. Instead of having the blue background, we got the black background. Now we're calling this car the Batmobile at the moment because it's carrying our border collie, which is called Batman. So I thought this would be a nice addition. So I'm just going to wipe some of this water off because it is a bit drizzly today. And yeah, just make sure there's no dust particles. And I've got to get it bang on, which has got to be fun. And there we go. There we go. I think that's the best I can get it on now. I might have to put the hairdryer on it, but yeah, there we go. Somewhat different, somewhat to make it a bit more mine. And yeah, I like it. I'm going with yellow and black for this car, so yeah, that suits it. So we got a manual here, how to use it. And yeah, it looks pretty simple. Insert the key, open the lock, place the steering wheel lock in the appropriate position. Take out the key, stretch the lock to the maximum length, finished. So, let's give that a try, shall we? So you got 3 keys. You know, you can put one on your house keys as well as your car keys and just keep a spare somewhere safe in the house just in case you ever do lose them. Now I can place this part down here like that and that part up there. So let's push them in. Get the key. Nice jazzy key. There we go. So it's unlocked now. So put him. I'm gonna put him. I might have to put the bottom in first. There we go, like that. Well, there we go. I got the steering lock on, and he's up in the corner. Can't go anywhere. There's no stealing this car now. Yeah, really good. So there we have it, guys. A couple of little add-ons to the Ford Mondeo and a repair that was well needed on this repeater on this side. That being done now, I will clean up the paintwork a bit, get a bit more petrol, get it looking spotless. The new floor mats, great addition to any car when you buy a new car, and they just change it. They really do change the interior, make it look a lot cleaner and everything. I will vacuum the car, get it all hoovered out and everything, and it should look a ton better. There's a couple of interior things that I haven't done yet. I want to get some door handles One thing I need to mention is I'm probably going to change the front seats at some point. Maybe to leather. There'll still be Ford Mondeo ones, but they're a little bit worn. The padding's a little bit out. Another thing to mention is it turns out this car is an ex-doctor's car. That's why the stereo was missing, which makes sense now. And a few other things like the LED lights in the boot when the boot is open. But there we have it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to share with you all some of the extras I'm going to add to the Mondeo. But it is our family car. It's replaced our Renault Scenic, which is now gone. And it is going to be used a lot. So I don't know how many videos I'm going to get done on it. But there's a few other extras I want to get sorted for it as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all again very soon. And bye for now.